Well, this is some of the 30-year history, 30-year archive of videotapes that I'm going to chop up and get the actual tape out to crochet a big cozy for the new water tank coming in. Some of the videos from the archive is like our Axis Mime Bodyworks. This is where I made all the moving sculpture bodies for a children's theater in which the body parts, the lungs, the heart, and other organs are made out of fabric. So I will be looking forward to watching this in DVD, while the tape is Maple Beach Wearable Art, done 1991. That's going into the archive. That's when the Queen was riding in her horses and the big beavers scared the Queen's horsemen. Amaryllis flower, dance taken from opera, also a dance by Maida Withers, who is teaching at the university in Brown's University Smashed, taken apart, things pulled out, things pulled out, and now we have this whole pile of tape, and I'm just sitting here watching television, and as the days and the hours go by, and hopefully it's raining down there, and suddenly it's going tomorrow, but in my spare time, I'm fingerprinting. 2 fingers. And the crochet goes on. It's very relaxing. There isn't much spilling away because the tape is still good condition. But the 2-inch wide that I still have down there is very brittle. And if I was doing that with 2-inch tape, this floor would be covered with fine particles of metal that comes off the videotape. So, the last water tank cozy was made 12 years ago, the age of this house, and it is now covered with plants, geraniums and jasmine. So it'll be a new recycling and a continuation of the garden water tanks. This is March 3rd, 2009.